I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm trying to start my rap career, so I really want to.
And he is intentionally not trying to work to avoid paying me child support. And
Let me ask a better question. What are you doing financially to provide for this child?
Oh well, I don't have a job. I guess nothing.
Your Honor,
So you don't work are you currently seeking employment? Like what are you doing?
Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm trying to start my rap career, so I really want to. Right now, I'm selling CDs.
How much are you selling these CDs for?
On a good day, I'm getting at least $3.
$3.
I'm looking about maybe $500. I packed lunch.
What?
$500? Mm-hmm. And you're making $3 per CD.
Probably like 20.
You're selling 20 CDs in a day.
Yeah, about it.
So you're making like $60? So you understand that's not enough to support this child, right? If you divide $500, right? That's how
Right.
much your groceries are, correct? You divide that by 30 days, which are typically what's in a month. That's $16.67 a day. How do you expect your child to live off of that?
Hey,